Welcome to Guess the Animal! Tonight, we're delving into the mysterious world of the night to uncover a creature of darkness. Are you ready to play? Let's embark on this nocturnal adventure! Here's your first clue. Take a look at this close-up image of large, round eyes. These eyes are adapted for seeing in the dark. Can you guess which nocturnal creature this might be? Take a moment to think about it. Your next clue. This animal has wings. While it may not always be visible, these wings allow it to soar through the night sky in near silence. Does this clue help you figure out which nocturnal creature it could be? Here's another hint. This animal is nocturnal, meaning it is most active at night. It hunts, navigates, and communicates under the cover of darkness. Have you guessed which creature it is yet? Here's one more clue. This animal makes a distinctive hooting sound. Its call can be heard echoing through the night, signaling its presence in the darkness. Now, can you guess what creature this is? Let's recap. Our mystery animal has large eyes. Wings is nocturnal. And makes a hooting sound. Can you guess what it is? Shout out your answers. If you guessed an owl, you're absolutely right! Owls are magnificent creatures of the night, known for their silent flight and haunting calls. Great job, everyone! Did you know that owls have specialized feathers that allow them to fly silently, making them stealthy hunters? They also have incredible hearing, with ears positioned at different heights on their heads to pinpoint the exact location of their prey. Owls are truly fascinating creatures of the night. Thanks for playing Guess the Animal. We hope you had fun and learned something new. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting animal adventures. See you next time.
Goodbye.